hope you are doing well. So today we have brought a new project for you. The project name is, let me show you, air quality prediction system using machine learning and alert system. In this we are going to make and show you alert system which is including in air quality system. What is this project, how this project, everything I'm gonna tell you in this project. But before this, I want you to take you through some research paper. Why? Because this is a real world problem solving project. You as a problem solver, you as a engineer, you as a student who are looking to solve some kind of problems. So air quality is one of the biggest problem, not only India but different parts of the world. So how can we solve this problem? So we can solve the air quality problem by making a air quality system. This system will help people in medical system, like helping people to save themselves from asthma and breathing related issue. Worst air quality also sometimes give cancer, skin cancer, different types of mental disorder also, because what we take in is air. Even when you do meditation, you do chanting, even you do anything, your constant breathing exercise goes. And if you take like bad air, air which is polluted, it can impact your health system. Let me first take you some research paper. So these are some research paper. If you need, you can search this is paper and you can download this research paper from internet. If not, you can reach out to us and we can share this research paper with you. So you can check in all this research paper we have studied, and we have found out that air quality is necessity and constitutional right for every people. Why? Because see, as of now, with the increase in industry, with increase in construction, air quality is getting deteriorated, air quality is getting lowest standard. So if we will not save our air, our atmosphere, our environment, it can give drastic impact to life expectancy, health, everyone. So what we can do? So as a problem solver, as an engineer, we gonna solve this problem by making one project using machine learning. Why machine learning? Because machine learning comes from two words, machine plus learn, means making the machine learn the system. How? We will give a data set, we will do analysis, we will do training and testing of data set. We will apply ML algorithm to that, and after doing that we will take a model and then we will integrate to the front end. So this was the small path, but let me show you the code and show you the execution. Okay, come with me, come. So first of all, see, this is a Visual Studio Code. Let me show you. This is a Visual Studio Code, and on this we have click on file, open folder, we have opened this project folder. Good. Then we will right click on this main.py, click on open integrated terminal, and we will it's taking few seconds because of internet. Let me give this command once again. I think it got stuck because of my internet. So yeah, now let's wait for like a couple of seconds, because I'm doing this first time, so it may take a couple of seconds, but wait for it. Till then I will take you through the data set. So this is our data set. Okay, so yeah, we got it. So when you will click, you can see some graph is there. Okay, you can see, and you can see this thing, and last we will give one command which is streamlit run streamlit app.py. So when I'm gonna do this, it will open and it will look like this. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the project air quality prediction system using machine learning and alert system. It will give you alert like how. So this is the PM 2.5, PM 10 or nitrogen oxide, sulfuric oxide, carbon monoxide and temperature. Okay, so let me take any input. As of now I can take random, but if you want you can take as per like from internet or from like your environment, whatever you feel like. And I'm gonna click on this. So the predicted air quality is hazardous. Now let me, if I want to send this as an alert, suppose that I'm a minister, I'm working in an environment sector, I'm working as a weather forecast reporter. So I want to send to like common people, so they can check about like they should go outside or not. So if I want to send to a particular person, suppose that if I will put my mail on it, and oh, I just put my name in my mail. So let me put my name, what sign, and I will send it. So when I will do, again it will take just 2 seconds and report sent successful. Now I will go to my mail. Let me show you. So I will click on that. Let me see, I got this. If you will check that, yeah, from hello Vatsayan, based on your data you provided, the predicted air quality is hazardous. Check here and check here. Okay, so for some tips I got it. Okay, so this is air quality AI system. So same as that, if you need this project, so what you have to do, you have to go to this site which is funnelproject.in, and you will find out that here you will get lots of project. You will get research paper writing help, programming help, explanation, and you can click on projects if you have any some idea. So most of the projects idea we have already implemented. You can check it there. You can select any project to let us know, and you take it there too. If not, you can click on